celebrate a remarkable milestone, 25 years of transformative collaboration between the University of the West Indies St. Augustine campus and the Guardian Light of the Caribbean. This enduring partnership, launched in the year 2000, has become a cornerstone of teaching excellence at our campus, creating a vibrant, student-centered learning environment that continues to evolve and inspire. From the very beginning, our collaboration has championed a clear mission to recognize, to celebrate, and reward faculty members who exemplify, teaching excellence in education. We honor those who create environments where students' learning thrives, preparing graduates to become independent learners, creative problem solvers, and lifelong contributors to society. This partnership manifests through two signature initiatives that have become integral to our academic calendar: the biennial UWI Guardian Light Premium Teaching Awards and the alternating Premium Open Lecture Series.
I think these premium events have really helped to elevate value of teaching and learning on all school levels, on all educational levels. And so I think that is really needed, because that is the core of any particular educational institution, teaching and learning. And we know that if learning has not taken place, then we wonder if teaching has really taken place. So these premium events have really helped to emphasize that and really change the perception of teaching and learning, the value of teaching and learning, and also the approaches to teaching and learning throughout the different levels.
Together, these two programs have created a dynamic cycle of recognition and learning that has shaped educational practice across our campus. The Premium Teaching Award presents more than recognition. It presents and celebrates arts and science of teaching. Every 2 years, we shine a spotlight on educators who transform classrooms into spaces of discovery and growth. These awards have evolved alongside higher education itself, embracing new challenges and opportunities that define modern learning.
I vividly remember Professor Dan Pratt, who showed us how teaching can be approached as a scholarly, research-driven practice. And this inspired my own interest in academic governance. Then there was Dr. Stephen Brookfield, whose emphasis on reflective teaching sparked campus-wide conversation and shaped our faculty development workshop.
I enjoyed a great camaraderie when we met to decide on the lecture topic, the theme, and the planning of the event. Everyone's suggestions were respected and given consideration. Some memorable or meaningful moments for me as part of the settled team supporting these events were brainstorming on topics, especially during the pandemic, when we had to ensure that the topic was relevant to the virtue of teaching and learning, and this was new to everyone at the time.
The Premium Open Lecture Series brings distinguished international voices to our campus. These lectures have addressed the most pressing issues in higher education, from the digital transformation of learning to mental health in academic setting, ensuring our community remains at the forefront of education innovation. This celebration underscored how our partnership had evolved from an initiative into an institution. More recently, our collaboration has embraced the challenges and opportunities of our digital age. We addressed the shift to online and blended learning environments, the integration of artificial intelligence in education, and the changing needs of the 21st century learners.
Now you see students who are much more satisfied, are much more engaged, and you've seen it in an increase in retention, and are much more equipped when they go into the world of work. Why? Because they're not just like computers where they just receive information, but now they can process information by different inputs. Yeah. So whether they socialize with others, they get opportunities to interact and collaborate with others.
I have seen firsthand the pride it brings, the spark of rich conversations, and the spread of fresh ideas. These initiatives build both community and legacy, reminding us that teaching is fundamentally scholarly, impactful, and transformative.
I've also made some lasting friends. We have lost a few along the way, God rest their souls. The UWI Premium Teaching events have matured into a dynamic, intellectually rich, and strategically important fixture in the university and Guardian Group's calendar. They serve not just to disseminate knowledge, but to shape the future of learning and teaching in the Caribbean and beyond. It also provides a wealth of knowledge to professionals in the corporate world, especially to human resources personnel.
This collaboration has fostered a culture where outstanding teaching is not only recognized, but continuously enhanced, creating rippling effects that extend beyond our campus. Looking ahead, we embrace the future with the same spirit of innovation and excellence that has defined us for these 25 years. The UWI Guardian Light of the Caribbean Partnership stands as a testament to what we can achieve when vision meets commitment and when educational excellence becomes a shared pursuit. Here's to 25 years of transformation and to many more years of shaping the future of higher education together.